nervous. You want to eat the food they give me?
Yeah.
Because I won't eat it. What am I going to eat? Are you going to bring me food? Because you both said you weren't bringing me food last night.
Apple.
I get to eat apple.
Put some anesthetic solution to numb it in.
Oh, okay.
Meanwhile, your eyes are always open and
1 hour surgery scheduled turned into 2.
liquid.
Yeah.
Blood vessel
I've got
wrapped
you put down
around
your face.
my lymph node. Come over and look at this.
Can you get charger?
Yeah, it's in the front pocket of my bag.
Really see it.
How was your waiting experience?
Horrible.
How come?
Because I'm pregnant and all the chairs are shit. Next time I'll
So
bring a
you got a
pillow.
hole in your
No, it was cleaned up all these other ones as well.
Oh yeah.
And like Marcus
I
made
forced them to bring me healthy food. It's not a bad one.
get a week off work, so
Give me a look at the food they got. Let me have a look here.
Yeah. I've worked for a couple of years
Get
now,
a pumpkin soup, I reckon.
since I've been on a dialysis.
oh, okay.
And then,
Names,
then
burgers and
I
pizza.
had this is my
That's
big
good. That's what you order from me.
Yeah.
That's good for
I had
inflammation.
Open wound catalyst.
Really?
Kiss, kiss.
That's in both toes.
Okay.
It made it harder for me to walk around.
Yeah.
Had to try to keep pressure off.
On to the
You
next steps.
Do dialysis at home?
Feeling pretty
Go
good.
somewhere else and do it.
Yeah, I do that.
Painkillers are
Okay.
good.
What's that, a couple of hours?
I'm going to get chilled.
My support network's about to go home after a long day.
A very long time.
Apparently a lot of swelling and bruising to come. I'm going to check out my outfit.
I wouldn't really call that an outfit. Not even wearing anything. It's just in his undies. Or a net.
My undies look like a hairnet.
You could have bought some good ones. They had shit stains on them already.
What? Did not
you're
have shit
filming?
stain. Yeah, real accident.
Yeah, that's just you.
You don't understand. You don't understand. Women don't understand the net that a man has in their pubic region.
I do now because I'm pregnant and I don't maintain myself anymore.
There's no way that your bum net that catches poo particles is more than mine. I don't care. Hey? Nah, probably not. Peace out. Peace out. Thank you for today.
You're welcome. Don't do much. Get a good night's sleep.
Love you.
Young. Oh. And the person turned him to me, so.
I need some louder voice. Hello, wake up. Oh, wake up. Sorry to push you. You need to be ready for...
Well, that was an interesting night. Snoring, screaming, off my face for a little while there. And now I get to go home. It's a wrap. Sending me home with some Panadol. I'm not allowed anything stronger, apparently. I've got to get this thing out too. I'm free at last. Freedom. There's my baby and my mama. Hello.
Hello.
How are ya?
Very cold.
I'm in the front. Oh, see ya. See you later. Hello. Hey. Take the backpack. I'll take it.
I can do it. Yeah, you can do it, please.
Home sweet home. Made it. Yeah. Thanks, team. Time for a shower. Home sweet home. This stuff washed off. Have a look at this. Starting to bruise. Said it was gonna bruise a fair bit because I had a blood vessel wrapped around that lymph node and they had to cut around it, and they said there was a fair bit of bleeding. So we're on notice. If I get a big sort of hematoma pop up, they said I've got to go back in there and they might have to operate again. Really hoping that doesn't happen. I don't think it will. I feel pretty good. And they said the swelling's really good. They said I'm just going to have a shitload of bruising. First chapter complete.